Welcome to English for Everyone. Today we're going to talk about the pronunciation of these special numbers. We use these numbers when talking about floors of a building, or when we talk about dates, and also anniversaries. The first 5 are difficult, so let's talk about those. First, second, third, fourth, and fifth. First, we have the sound like burger, closed, first. Second, we don't really pronounce the D, not second, second. Third, again we have the burger sound, third. We use the soft TH sound with air, third. Fourth, use the sound like door and floor, and finish with the TH with air, like thank you and think, fourth. And finally, fifth. We do not have to pronounce the F in the middle, just 3 sounds, f, I, and the last TH, like thank you, fifth. So again, first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. The rest of the numbers are pretty easy. They're just the number plus TH with the air sound, like thank you. So 6, you have th, and you have to pronounce all those sounds. Sixth, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, and so on. They're all the same, just a number plus th. Now, be careful. When you get to 21, we don't say 21. We say 21st, 22nd, 23rd. Also 30. You cannot say the date is December 31. You have to say December 31st. And one more thing. When you have numbers that end with 0, after 10, 10 is 10th, but 20 is not 20th, but 20th. There's an extra sound, ith. To connect the E in 20 to the ith, another vowel, we need to link the vowels with the sound y, like yellow and yesterday. So it's 20, yith, 20th, 20th. Also 30, 30th, and 40, 40th, and so on, 50th, 60th, 70th, 80th, and 90th. All those numbers with a 0 that end with a Y, we have an extra sound, ith. Example, last year was my 50th birthday. And your 50th anniversary is called your golden anniversary. 50th. Let's practice. When is Christmas Day? That's right, Christmas Day is December 25th. When is New Year's Eve? That's right, New Year's Eve is December 31st. And when is New Year's Day? That's right, New Year's Day is January 1st. What about the 1st of January? Sure, you can say the 1st of January, but it's more formal. It's not very common in conversational English. The only date we say like that is the 4th of July, because it's the name of the holiday. So you can say July 4th or the 4th of July. But other dates, say January 1st, December 31st. Not the 31st of December. December 31st. Let's practice. Is it his 50th birthday? That's right, it's his 50th birthday. Very good. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, watch another one and tell a friend. We'll see you next time.